Good morning, this is Joe Morris coming to you live for our weekly webinar. Today's webinar the subject is the ACA group market. We're going to talk about plan designs. In today's webinar, I want to welcome you to the Agents Advisor, theagentsadvisor.com. If you are a first-time listener or watching for the first time, welcome. If you have watched in the past, we want to welcome you back. Today's webinar is going to be broadcast on Advisor TV on our YouTube channel. I'll give you that information here shortly. But to give you a quick overview, the Agents Advisor, our goal and our mission is to empower independent insurance agents like yourself. Today's subject will be talking about ACA market, the group market, and we're going to talk about plan designs. Before we get started on that, let me take you through our website real quick to check out some features on the website I think you'll find beneficial. On the home page at theagentsadvisor.com, I want you to be able to take a look at our sales tools. Here we have the quoting engines for Medicare, under 65 health, final expense, term UL, and annuities. We're going to be adding a small group quote engine I'm going to go over with you today. We found a really cool tool that you can quote small groups anywhere in the country, and it's a pretty neat tool to use. I'm also going to show you our resources tab. Here, our resources tab is the who's who and what we do, and this is a great index of some of the great and very popular trade publications, industry associations such as NAHU. You can also find Medicare.gov. Some of our partners are listed here, like MedPlan Network, Benefits Resource Systems, and Benetrust. Just click on those icons and you go right to their web links and take a look at those as well. If you're in the health insurance market, the Medicare market, life, annuities, or group markets, we want to talk to you. We want to help you grow your business, show you some tools and concepts and programs we've implemented. In the coming days, I'm going to be announcing via our email about some upcoming partnerships we've made. We've created some great technology tools that will help you in the group market. And if you're working with clients, whether it be 2 to 49 or the 50 plus, we've got benefits integration tools. We've got some great communication and smart app technology that you can use in a group setting. And if you're in that special market that deals with AB penalty solutions, we've got a proprietary MEC program now that we're going to be announcing here in the coming days that we will be able to market to you on a national basis. And it'll be a good tool for you, and it'll be good information, so stay tuned. If you're not real comfortable in that group market, no worries, we can get you set up in it. If you're already a seasoned veteran that does group benefits, then you're going to like these additional tools that will help you help your client and help you ultimately grow your business. On the home page, again, if you scroll down, we've been promoting our licensing school and our CE credits. If you're in need of CE credits, don't hesitate to go to theagentsadvisor.com. It's real simple. You can click on the pre-licensing CE credits. Our online CE courses are here, and you'll be able to find our catalog for continuing education and exam prep. Here you can find all what you need. Also, if you need to get licensed, here's how to get licensed. You can order your exam prep and do your online studies. Also, you can look at our course catalog, and there you can select your state. So if I select Indiana and I hit continue, I can decide if this is for licensing or if this is just for CE. And here we'll list all the courses we have available on our catalog. So that's a really good tool. Take advantage of it. I think you'll like it. If you're looking to get licensed, no worries, you can order your exam prep right here. And you can select a state. And if you're looking to get your life and health license, prelicense.com will set you up in here, and here's the requirements. You can do the online exam prep courses for $89.95. You can add in additional study tools. I highly recommend those as well. We've got students enrolled this month, so it's pretty exciting to see new people get into the business. So let's go ahead and get started. I want to take you to the resources tab. I want to take you to the benefit resource systems and tell you about who we are there. Benefits resource systems We help our clients with professionalism, experience, knowledge, integrity, and market availability in the commercial health insurance employee benefits marketplace. So what's great about this is whether you are in a state that we're not in, we can be in that state and help you in the group market. We not only work with you on case development and consulting with your client, but we also help you with the technology tools. Specifically, when you look at employee benefits, what we have available to you are group health, disability, dental, vision, life, many other group benefits, but we also work in the self-funded and fully insured markets. In addition to that, we've got the benefits compliance such as the ACA, the HIPAA, COBRA, ERISA, FMLA, and we also have the group ACA requirements in the 50-plus market. So I wanted to have a good conversation with you about that. We've partnered up with Benefits Resource Systems, and it's been a good partnership working with them, and we'll be able to guide you through that. So let's talk about group case design. When you're working on group case design, what you're going to want to see is how do you develop a case and how do you work it. Well, right now, one of the challenges as a broker, as you know, is that when you're looking to develop group quotes, you call each carrier and you wait for them to send you back a quote. What I found online, it was an interesting find, is I found a tool that allow you to quote all the plans available by zip code and state. So what I mean by that is if you've got a client that happens to be in, let's say, Noblesville, Indiana, where our corporate headquarters is, and that's where we'll quote here today to show you how it works. But if you're in any particular state, just put in the zip code, state, and you can do a side-by-side comparison of all the group plans. So let's just say that your client's 39 and they have a spouse that's age 35 and they have a child. And let's just say the child is, hang on here. We want to add a family member. We'll make this way, 30 years old. So here we've got a two-person group, a 39-year-old, a 35-year-old with a 30-year-old spouse. We can see what the average cost per employee is, and when you scroll over, you can see what the total costs are. Employee 1's $317, employee 2's $307, their spouse is $285. The average employee cost is $311. If we want to look at more details on this particular plan, this breaks out the plan. That's the plan overview. Here's the plan details. Here's the plan analysis. It breaks down the cost, the deductible, breaks down prescription costs, emergency room copays, and it does a comparison of similar plans, gives a star rating on the plan itself. You can do a doctor search. So you can see this is a pretty neat tool. We also can do this compare similar plans. It will show you the plans available, whether it be this plan, a lower deductible plan, a higher metal plan, or a different carrier. So it gives you the market analysis. Now, what does that mean for you? When you're doing your pre-planning on this and you've got the census on your client and you're looking to find out which direction to help your client, this will give you the side-by-side comparison. What I like about it, though, too, is when I scroll down, it shows me what plans are available. So in this particular case, based upon that zip code in that state, which happened to be a state, I believe it was Tennessee on this particular one, you can see that the plans available in that particular market, Tennessee, you have United Healthcare and Humana. United Healthcare has 32 plans available, Humana has 13. If I wanted to change zip code, I could put in a new zip code and it will recalculate. And here, based upon this zip code, I can look at this particular plan and the average premium is $414. The plans available, Anthem, United, excuse me, and Humana. So here We can break this down by doctor visits, copays. If we want a $0 to $30 copay, it changes the premiums, it changes the plans available. Again, we can get more details and we set up. Now, you don't want to start an application because you won't get credit for it. What you want to do is use this as a scouting report. What I mean by that is take a look at this, use it as a scouting report to give you the who's who and what you need to do for your client, and give you a starting point on how to recommend the best plan available in the market that you're in to show your client. I wanted to go over this because I think it's a great tool to help you with that. If you'd like more information, I want you to reach out to us, contact us at the Agent's Advisor. Our telephone number is 877-886-4829. Again, that's 877-886-4829. You can always email us. Email us at info@theagentsadvisor.com. If you have any questions or want to get started with this, call us or email us. You can go right to our website, put your information in here, hit send. It'll come right to us, and we'll reach out to you immediately and get you started with all the various programs that we offer. And lastly, hopefully last week you saw our webinar where we talked about the ACA market, why you want to look at short-term medical. And we're talking about the 3x4 program where you can go up to 12 months worth of coverage. I want to talk to you about that too, because there's an interesting opportunity in that market. As the ACA plans have been filed and new rates will be coming out, you're going to start seeing anywhere from 5 to 15% increases across the board. It could be more than that, but we will see soon here. So again, thank you for watching. This was a short one today, and I wanted to get this out here as a teaser. We'll go into more details about the quote engine for small group. We'll also go into more details about what we're doing on the large group side. And as always, we want to say thank you for viewing and listening, and we look forward to working with you. Have a great day.